Hello and welcome back once again to my channel. Welcome to the final vlog of New York series. It was an amazing trip. In 2019, I promised New York that I would return with before my tourist visa expires, and here I am. So I really enjoyed a lot in this trip, and yeah, it was simply amazing. Now I have a flight from New York LaGuardia Airport to uh, Sacramento International Airport via Atlanta. So this is Newark Penn Station and I'm boarding a train to Roosevelt Island. Alright, so मेरा एक प्लान था कि मैं पहले जाऊंगा टाइम स्क्वायर, थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करूंगा आधा घंटा, फिर वहाँ से मैं जाऊंगा एयरपोर्ट, बट बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो गया. I had a connecting train, but I specially came out of New York Penn Station just to say goodbye to this amazing city. New York, you have been amazing, and I really can't wait to see you again. So this is the LaGuardia Link bus from Roosevelt Island to LaGuardia Airport. Security done. It was a big headache. I am PSA verified, so मेरा सिर्फ normally एक machine के अंदर जाने बोला, and they didn't even check my bags. But yeah, I am boarding a flight to Atlanta right now, and then 3 hours layover in Atlanta, and after that Sacramento. Alright, so New York has 3 airports: John F. Kennedy, JFK, EWR, which is actually New Jersey, Liberty International Airport, and LaGuardia. So today it's my first flight from LaGuardia. I've flown from EWR, I've flown from JFK like 4-5 times. So yeah, I mean, all many सब airports देखे New York के, and US का aviation is something I love, and I love exploring new airports.
Get airborne. Nav is planned for an hour and 57 minutes. Time in the sky. Should be a pretty good ride on the way down. Should be able to get that seatbelt sign off for you fairly soon, so you can stretch those legs, move out the cabin. As I'm
Identify each exit with a green symbol and arrows indicating the direction to the exit. Please ensure larger devices such as laptops.
A child in the 1960s, growing up with Captain Kangaroo, track homes and veterans with their families. The California sunshine's all we knew. I'm lost in the years, lost in the years. I fight with the hands of time. I'm lost in the tears, lost in my fears. I'm lost in the years gone by. Our Ford Ranchero was our chariot, two-tone blue and white.
So landed Atlanta. अभी थोड़ा भूख लगा है, मैं कुछ खा लेता हूँ. So the best thing about layover in the US is अगर आपका डोमेस्टिक लेवर है, आपका सिक्योरिटी चेक वापस नहीं होगा, विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग आई फील. पता नहीं बाकी सब जगह ऐसा क्यों होता है कि सिक्योरिटी वापस करना पड़ता है. आई मीन, अगर कोई एयरपोर्ट पे सिक्योरिटी हुआ है आपका, फिर आप एयरपोर्ट एग्जिट ही नहीं किए हो, then there are no chances of you getting a weapon or anything which is not supposed to be brought inside an aircraft. So that's a good thing, I feel. So Atlanta airport is one of the best airports I've ever seen. मतलब US airports are usually not that great, कोई भी US airport. But Atlanta is something मतलब बहुत अच्छा airport है ये. Clean है थोड़ा सा ऐसा. मतलब हाँ, you can't expect a great airport in the US, but yeah, थोड़ा थोड़ा clean तो होता ही है. So Delta ने मेरा gate अभी change कर लिया boarding time पे. So I'm running towards C52, and here's how the Atlanta airport looks. I mean, it's the best airport I've seen in the US. And second best, I would say, San Francisco Terminal, International Terminal. Landed Sacramento International Airport, the same airport where I did my first cross country, and the same runway जिस पे मैंने land किया था. It felt surreal, and that marks the end of my New York series. It has been amazing, undoubtedly amazing. New York is always a good idea, and I believe after New York, the best is yet to come is no longer an option. So yeah, with good vibes, I'll be ending this vlog, and thank you so much for watching till here. If you liked this vlog for whatever reason, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, see you in the next one. Bye bye.